Welcome. If you want to control who can reply to your older posts on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC, you're in the right place. Thanks to a recent update, you can now adjust reply permissions on your existing posts, not just new ones. Here's how you can make sure only the people you follow can reply to that old tweet you want to protect or keep more private. First, open your web browser and head over to X. Log into your account if you haven't already. Next, look to the menu on the left side of your screen and click on your profile icon or your name. This will take you straight to your profile page, where all your posts are displayed in reverse chronological order. Now, scroll through your timeline to find the specific post you want to change. Once you spot it, look for the three dots, also known as the More or Options button, usually found at the top right corner of the post. Click on those three dots to open a drop-down menu. From the options that appear, select Change Who Can Reply. A new menu will pop up, giving you several choices for who can respond to your post. To make sure only people you follow can reply, choose the option labeled Accounts You Follow. Once you click this, your setting will be updated instantly. Now, only the accounts you follow will be able to reply to that post, helping you control the conversation and keep unwanted replies at bay. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've updated the reply settings on one of your older posts. This feature is perfect for revisiting important announcements, limiting replies on sensitive topics, or simply managing your interactions more closely. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who want to take control of their X experience. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your improved privacy and peace of mind on X.